Hey there, get quite a few questions on unclogging or removing stripped filament from a Flashforge Inventor II. This instruction series will also work on Flashforge finders. Starting here by removing the 2.5 mm Allen screws from the top. There's two on the top and then one a little bit towards the front and that step down kind of notch. From here, turn off the printer. Make sure that you don't have any power running through the motors while you're messing with it, so unplug it, whatever you got to do. And then using a 2.5 mm Allen wrench, there's two screws that attach to the bottom portion of the motor that are accessible through the front. There's two little holes in the PCB kind of chip you see. So I remove the ribbon cable. Make sure you're grabbing onto as much of the white connector as you can instead of just the wires. And you'll see when I remove that filament, some dust comes out. That's just kind of shredded PLA filament that needs cleared out. So here I'm showing you that the gear or wheel took a bite out of the filament, and that's part of the problem. So after that, just showing you exactly what's going on down there. There's filament lodged in the upper part of the heatsink, and then some leftover shredded filament. So I'm going to take some compressed air and blow it out of there. It causes a bit of a mess in the printer, but not that big a deal. So from here, I turn the printer back on and preheat it. Let it sit for a minute or two if you like to get the heat all the way up into the cold end of the heatsink, just in case you have filament up there that needs to be pushed through. So here I'm using the plunger that's included with the printer. If you don't have it, you can use a 1 or 1.5 mm Allen wrench, or if you're in a pinch, you can even use a unfolded paper clip. So from here, I'm taking some good filament from a spool that I broke off, forcing it down through the nozzle just to make sure that we have a good clean flow and there's no cauterized filament or anything kind of stuck in there. So after that, turn the printer off and reassemble. That's all you got. Thanks.